some pancakes like non-stick again. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm looking at my laptop. 25 August Thursday. So yesterday I received an SMS from Take a Lot. I haven't ordered anything. Actually, I don't even have any account with Take a Lot, but I received an SMS from Take a Lot, and I don't know who could that be, but I'm suspecting a friend of mine who naughty Ola. That one is naughty, but I will wait and see. And today I received another, that message said I'm receiving a parcel today at 25 before 5 o'clock, and today in the morning I received another SMS telling me that the parcel is out to my way. Hey, I'll just wait and see, guys. This month, Monday 29, it's my birthday. No plans yet, but definitely a cake will be in place. So I'll wait and see. I'm having butterflies. At the same time, I'm saying, what could that be? Who could have sent me anything? I'm just anxious and at the same time excited, but let's just wait and see. I will unbox it with you guys. Let's hope it's not a scam. But I'm suspecting, when I'm suspecting you, you know yourself, I'm suspecting you. But okay, let's just wait and see what is it going to be. And guys, you can even send me some presents like hello in terms of thank you on my under the video. It's a button here, like it's a dislike button, it's a share button, then comes a thanks button. You can thank me, it's my birthday, thank me. Like guys, this thing there's something on my neck popping, so you can thank me by pressing that thank button. It starts with 14 rand. 14 rand is it's a lot of money. It can go a long way. Imagine if 10 people thank me ka 14 rand, guys. Just press that button now, baton. It won't break your neck. So let's just wait for the Take a Lot parcel and see what is it gonna be. I'm so excited. At the same time, I'm anxious. Guys, the parcel has arrived and it's a heavy box. Heavy in a way that 7-piece set. I still don't know where it comes from. 7-piece set, authentic cast iron dash oven cookware pot. Like I'm happy, but oh Jesus, I'm going to unbox this. I don't have a car, guys. I'm going with a taxi, so and I want to unbox these things when I'm at home. I can't unbox them here. I guess I will see when I get home. This thing is heavy. I cannot carry them to the taxi. So whoever sent this, the mysterious person, welcome, and let's Jesus. Hello guys, hi, welcome to this today. Last time when I spoke to you, it was on Thursday the 25th, telling you I got a mystery SMS from Take a Lot, and the first message came on the 24th. It was telling me, yeah, I'm getting a parcel, and to my surprise, it was directed to me. So the other day, I'm sorry if I'm repeating, but I'm so excited, like hooray. So the other day, the following day in the morning, they told me the parcel is coming to me, it's on the way. So no, I ignored, but I didn't ignore. I SMS'd someone, said, show me, I'm getting this SMS, and this could only be I suspect you. She denied. Then, okay, it's fine. Later in the day, I saw there was a tracking link. Then I went and tracked the SMS. So, sorry, I'm vaping, I don't know. So, when I track, it shows what the parcel is, and I go, ouch. Then I knew, and my suspicions were right. My friend got me some pots. So I'm going to unbox them with you. I didn't have time to unbox them on Thursday night. Then Friday I went to work, but butterflies, guys, butterflies. I know what is in there, but the time was not allowing me to unbox them with you. The darkness, and yeah, let me turn the camera. This is what I have received from my friend Sibongile Letswalo. I always tell people that, guys, my friend is better than your friend. My friends are better than yours. So here is, okay, it's written 7-piece set. And here, there's a little description this side saying, I hope it will focus. Yo, we don't have proper tools. Okay, 7-piece authentic cast iron Dutch oven cookware pots set. Teal is the color. It's a beautiful color. Teal is the color. So these are from Take a Lot, and I jumped, guys. I jumped. So let's see, because when I say teal is the color, there's somewhere that they marked here. They marked this one, and the other side is open. You can see this color. So I followed this. This is orange, and from here, from the orange, we go to teal. Let me show you. Here, where I saw, yes, the teal is the color. So let's just inbox and see what is inside. So I hope this will be visible enough, because I closed the door. Jesus. As written, professional cooking. So I'm going to be professionally cooking. I wanna know, yeah, I'm going to cook professionally. Too many boxes. So this is here is the pan. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Look at this is like, I'm so excited. Whoa. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Jesus. Yo. This is a birthday gift. So she confirmed later that yes, she sent those, and that can only be here because she knows me. She knows I loved them. She knows I loved them. So guys, I'm having the cast iron cooking pots that can go into the oven also, and they're so heavy, guys. Only me is going to use this, so no one is going to cook with this one. Only me, I think. Taking it, and I like the fact that inside they are white. No, we're doing lamb shank. We're doing like sure oxtail. Thank you, my friend. Guys, when you meet a friend, just take a telescope, some microscope, some different and check through them. Like, we've been together. Just a little story about her. We've been together since I met her in 2005 at tertiary. So we've been friends since then. People say we are friends through thick and thin. We've never been in the thin. That's the thing. We have never been in the thin. We've been always in the thick. So omelette. Some omelets and beautiful things. Some pancakes like so we've been together since that time, and we've never have some lows. We've been great, guys. We've been great until this time. I know her deeply so, and she knows me deeply so. So thank you, Subongile. And I know she watches my videos anyway, but I've thanked her already, and this is just appreciation video and unboxing with you guys. I don't want to drop them down. So now I'm going to test one pot by cooking chicken. Oh Jesus, by cooking some chicken in it, and I'm glad that it can take an open flame fire, fire. This has taken my English already, so I'm going to cook in some chicken inside, but I think I will do a separate video because this one is only for unboxing and thanking. And so I'm celebrating the pots. I'm celebrating my birthday. By default, I'm celebrating my birthday, and I got this is a surprise, guys. I celebrated the 1,500 subscribers and the first paycheck. Like, this month has been great. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Look at this. Thank you. Bye.